All right, folks, we are finally going to show you something with a vertical smoker that has never been done. Masterbuilt is known for its innovation, and we're going to show you how to do a rotisserie chicken on a smoker. I call this recipe the smoked lemon pepper brined rotisserie chicken. Today, I'm doing a lemon pepper brine, brined it overnight in the refrigerator, take it out, wash it off, pat it dry, season the inside with more dry lemon pepper, tie it up, place your chicken on the rotisserie, season the outside, and put it on the Masterbuilt smoker. Set the top down grill and finish element to high. Look for about 1.5 hours to 2 hours in this recipe, flip on the rotisserie, and sit back and watch the magic. With custom smoke technology, we can set it from 1 to 5. 1 being the light smoke, 5 being a heavier smoke. Today, with this chicken recipe, we set it right in the middle on 3. You'll notice with the MES 400 custom smoke technology, I'm putting in 1 small wood chunk to give you that great smoke-infused flavor. Folks, look at the juicy results in this chicken. With the Masterbuilt MES 400 series, you have the ability to take recipes to the next level. We've never been able to combine the two, and now you can, and enjoy smoked rotisserie chicken like you've never had before.